first glance, it looks like a tiny camper that should feel cramped. But the moment you step inside, the layout flips the usual floor plan on its head. And just when you think that's the main trick, the entire rear section transforms into a full wet bath instead of a cramped corner cubicle. Today, we're reviewing the Wingamm Oasi 540.1, a compact motorhome built around a drop-down ceiling bed, a full rear wet bath, and a tightly engineered lounge kitchen layout, all working together in one seamless design. You're watching CarHub, your trusted guide to the world of motorhomes and campervans. Let's start outside because the way this is built explains how it behaves on the road. A fiberglass monocoque shell reduces seams and improves long-term weather resistance. The compact length and narrow body improve maneuverability in tighter streets and campsites. An insulated floor and body construction help stabilize interior temperature in varying climates. A solid entry door with central locking improves security and everyday travel convenience. LED exterior lighting increases visibility and makes it easier to move around the campsite at night. Once you step inside, the main living area is built around a flexible front lounge. Swivel cab seats expand the front lounge for dining and social use. An L-shaped dinette layout maximizes usable space without blocking the central walkway. Double-layer insulation in the structure helps maintain a stable cabin temperature. Overhead lockers secure travel items and keep the lounge free from clutter. Panoramic side windows bring in natural light to brighten the compact interior. Moving into the kitchen, the galley is set up for simple, efficient meal prep on the road. A 2-burner gas cooktop supports straightforward cooking for 1 or 2 people. A stainless sink with a folding cover adds extra worktop space when not in use. A compressor fridge keeps food and drinks chilled efficiently on longer touring days. Lower drawers and cabinets are designed to prevent cookware from shifting while driving. Focused LED task lighting above the galley improves visibility during cooking. At the back, the whole rear section becomes a full wet bath, which is that second big transformation we mentioned earlier. A full rear wet bath layout increases showering space in a compact footprint. Molded fiberglass walls improve waterproofing and make the room easier to clean. A cassette toilet is set up for convenient emptying at standard European service points. An integrated sink and vanity keep daily essentials organized inside the bathroom. A roof vent and opening window help airflow and reduce humidity after showers. For sleeping, the Oasi 540.1 relies on a dedicated drop-down bed over the lounge. A longitudinal drop-down bed creates a fixed sleeping area without permanently using floor space. A slatted frame and memory foam mattress improve comfort on extended trips. The manual lowering system keeps the mechanism lightweight and straightforward. When raised, the bed tucks into the ceiling, preserving full headroom and seating. Side shelves near the bed provide storage for phones, glasses, and nighttime essentials. Storage is spread through the interior, so you're not relying on a single rear garage. Overhead lockers around the lounge keep daily items accessible and secure. Kitchen drawers organize cookware, utensils, and dry goods in separate spaces. Under-seat compartments offer hidden storage for soft items or additional gear. Bathroom cabinets hold toiletries and cleaning items without cluttering the shower area. On the road, the Fiat-based chassis underpins how this compact motorhome actually drives. The chassis provides stable highway handling and predictable steering. A diesel engine setup supports efficient long-distance touring across mixed terrain. A BS and ESP improve traction control and braking safety in challenging conditions. Hill Assist helps prevent rollback when starting on steeper inclines. A compact wheelbase lets you thread it through tight parking areas and older village streets without feeling oversized. If you found this review helpful, like, share, comment, and subscribe. In a compact camper like this, would you prioritize the drop-down bed or the full rear wet bath? You've been watching CarHub, your trusted guide to the world of motorhomes and campervans.